I'll give you 2 stars. I'm a Cambly founder, and you are no longer work with Cambly. I booked this lesson like maybe 3 weeks ago,
Oh,
and
really?
I told myself, wow, maybe she will not come. I don't know, because I had before this session I had like a very bad experience with tutors that I don't want to like mention their names. They canceled. Oh my goodness, why?
No way. No
Yeah,
way.
and she did that like 3 times.
That's terrible. Like 6 minutes before the class?
Yeah.
I
I
find that
like
terrible.
I
Yeah,
yeah, I
yeah,
prepared. I prepared for this session, and I
yeah,
made time.
yeah,
Okay, for this
yeah,
session, I practiced my English before
yeah.
this session, and then like uh, I'm calling my tutor. My tutor is waiting. Where's my tutor? I feel like I'm stupid, right?
Yeah, yeah. I think that's terrible. I hate when that happens because I
Yeah.
always feel I hate it when people do it to me. So I don't want to
Mm.
do that to other people, right? Because like
See,
you
yeah,
said, everyone prepares their day. So even if I have a class, like if I have one class,
yeah,
like 30 minutes that day, I my whole day I'm working around it. So if someone cancels, it's like everyone has tried to make their schedules work together. And so
yeah,
when that happens like 5 minutes before, it's like, come on, like you
yeah,
could have thought in advance. But it happens. It happens. But 3 times in a row is not fair. That's not fair.
yeah, and
Yeah.
the same tutor. It's not
That's
like random tutor. The same tutor.
wow.
And yeah, at the end, I removed her from my
Yeah, that's not
favorite list. Yeah, my
yeah, yeah,
favorite list. Yeah. By the way, I didn't call you like by accident.
yeah.
A friend of mine, he recommended your name to me. His
Oh
name is
really?
Jolson. He's a
Oh
Brazilian.
no way.
Yeah,
He's got everyone he's giving everyone recommendations. What?
yeah. Let me tell you our secret. We have like a Cambly group,
Okay.
WhatsApp group. Okay,
Okay.
so sometimes we like when we find like a good tutor,
Yeah.
like they have like energy. We
Yeah.
recommended our friends like, hey guys,
Yeah.
I found like a good tutor to practice
Yeah.
English with,
Yeah.
because some tutors they acted like uh,
Yeah.
start speaking about
Mhm.
about your hobbies, about your
Yeah.
speak about yourself,
Yeah.
and she just listening to us.
Yeah.
These kind of conversation, it's kind of like boring.
Yeah, yeah, of course. And yeah, and even he said that last time that he said like when you find a good tutor that they'd be like,
Yeah,
"Hey, check this person out." Like because it's true, like it's important the kind of energy someone
yeah,
gives, right? Like if I'm sitting here like, "Oh my gosh, I want to like go eat and I'm bored and all that." You're going to feel that I'm not interested. But I think like the same way if I have a really good conversation with someone here, I leave them
yeah,
like, "Oh, that's so nice." Like I learned something about someone or that was so fun. I
yeah,
always think like
exactly.
it goes both ways. I like to have good conversations with people, and I think other people
Exactly.
would rather. Yeah.
Yeah, it happens to the tutor and to the
Mm.
student as well. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, it's nice that you guys have a group chat to share that. That's good.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
We used to exchange the name of the tutors, the
Yeah,
profile tutors.
yeah.
Like, hey, she's a good tutor. She has like energy. I said,
That's
yeah. Let's call her.
yeah. Do you have things you do if you like meet a tutor that you think doesn't have like a lot of energy or doesn't seem interested? Do you since I feel like
Um,
you do this a lot, right?
Actually, yeah, I have been practicing my English since 2019. It's until
Yeah,
now,
wow.
and yeah, but yeah, I'm experienced. I'm experienced with that. But actually, I had like a class with the. She was like originally a Mexican, but she
Okay.
speaks American very well.
Yeah.
But she acted like she was like so bored. So
Okay.
this like she has like wow a massive a huge like negativity. I don't know why. Bless her, but she transformed all her negativity to me. You
Oh,
know?
really?
Yeah, like I acted actually weird. I told her,
Yeah.
I'll give you 2 stars. I'm a Cambly founder, and you are no longer work with Cambly. I
You
should
said that
hire
to her?
another. Yeah, yeah. I said that. I acted weird actually because I like I'm done with this tutor, and I
Mm.
should hire another tutor and who they have like energy with the
Yeah.
student. She said, "Oh, really? Yeah, I'm a Cambly founder."
That's terrible. Do you know how terrifying that would be? Oh my gosh. So she was like, "Oh no, like, oh please no."
I know like that expressing what goes around comes around, right?
No, but it like okay, I like it feels a bit bad for her, but to be fair, like she does need to know that people's time is valuable. Like that
Exactly. Yeah. I
they do
wanna I wanna
deserve to
learn.
receive something from her.
Yeah, I want to learn English. I want to
Yeah,
like have like a funny conversation to learn.
yeah,
I believe when I have like a funny conversation, I will like I will get rid my like my nervous
yeah,
my you know
yeah. I
because
completely
uh,
agree. Yeah,
because for example like I'm experienced with the like foreigner tutors.
yeah,
I like when like people this is like their first time to speak with
mm,
with like foreigner tourists. They
yeah,
acted like, wow, I'm
mm,
nervous, I'm
yeah.
frustrated. I don't know how to reply to my tutor, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard. It's scary. That's why I'm always like very understanding. Like I feel them because I know how scary it can be to talk first of all in a
Yeah,
language you might not be comfortable, but then to
yeah.
speak to someone who's native as well might be very hard for some people. So I feel like if I come here and I'm like, okay, like go ahead, tell me, like speak now, then right, like then if you're speaking to a native person for the first time, that's so terrifying because they're not giving you like it's okay, like take your time, like you know I think
Yeah, yeah. You create like that what do you
yeah,
say,
yes,
atmosphere, right?
atmosphere, yeah, atmosphere,
Yeah, atmosphere. Yeah,
yeah,
like wow, you have to be like to feel comfortable,
yes,
and no one will judge you. No one will watch this conversation.
yes,
So it's okay. Just like practice your English, speak. No
yes,
matter, no matter. It's okay to like to make mistakes,
yes.
right?
Yeah, yeah.